Hello, 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 my friends. It is Sandy, and this unboxing today is the Into Resin mystery mold pack. It's a pack of 4 or 5. I think it's 5 in there. So, yep, Into Resin. That's who it is. So let us see what molds we have. All right. Oh, this is cute. Little flower. Heart with a bow. I guess that's supposed to be a mirror, maybe? I'm not quite sure what that is. And then just a little bow, I think. Very cutesy. And some sort of faceted keychain, maybe? I'm not sure what this little guy is. A druzy something. Oh, looks... Ooh, I think these may be some crystals. That's pretty cool and awesome. And last but not least, I have no idea what these are. Are they supposed to be little feet? I don't know. Some sort of... I have no clue what this is. Down in there, it looks like it could be a butterfly, maybe? I really don't know. But we'll see when we pour these. Stay tuned! This is a collaboration hosted by Nerd Goblin Art and Breaking the Mold Resin Art. Alrighty, I've got the 1 hour fast cure from Promise Epoxy here. We're gonna add the Psyche Gold and we're just gonna pour into our mystery molds and see what we get. I do have a lot of bubbles in there just from getting it stirred up, so clipping some of this sparkliness will help hide those. You can see that Psyche Gold has a nice gold interference running in it. All right, let's start with this guy here. Kind of getting the little tips poured first in there. Get a little squishy squish. Just top this off here. All right, that one's done. Now this one, I have no idea what it is. Something druzy-esque. Whoa. It's not fling resin everywhere. Now we got this key. I guess it's a keychain. Very faceted. Okay. And then we'll do this one, which is a crystal cluster. Okay. And then we have this last little one. Just little cutesy things, hearts, rattle maybe, flower, bow, mouse.
And all of these have a little piece of paper underneath the mold because these are really high quality molds and we don't need them sticking all over to my silicone mat. Sorry if I pause while I'm talking, it's because I'm also trying to concentrate on getting the resin into the molds and not spilling it everywhere. So when you often hear me speaking and I have a break in between, that's my brain trying to catch up.
And here we are all filled up, and stay tuned because we're gonna start unmolding in just a minute. And now this was the one I just had some left over. I just threw it all in here at the end. Just the mold I had sitting off to the side. Okay. All right, now on to our mystery items here. Let's look at this one, because I really had no clue what this one was. So it is just like a druzy. I guess you could make it into a pendant. I guess it's supposed to, like, if you wanted to make a faux amethyst, like it was just cut and raw. That's kind of fun. And this one I know what it is. I could tell what it was just from the mold itself. And it's a bunch of little crystal clusters, or a crystal cluster. Wow, I can't hold on to anything today. That'll be fun to play around with. Making like geode artwork and stuff. And then this keychain. It's a jeweled faceted keychain. Pendant. What are your thoughts on what these two are? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. It's just a little bow. It looks a little weird. Like it's... I guess it's purposefully lopsided. Kind of like a little mouse with a bow. And a heart with a bow. Get all these little over spill things off. It's just a little heart. I guess that's a little like mirror. With a little bow. And then my favorite of these is just the little flower. I can see making a lot of these little guys put into things, and he's faceted too. Pretty. All right, now this one, I have a confession to make. I did make them because I had no clue what this was. So I do know what it is now. And it is super cute. Or they are super cute. They're little bunnies. And they're so cute. I made some with UV resin because I was like, I just have to figure out what this is. I have no clue. But they're little bunnies. See, if you look at that, it just look like little booties. But they're little bunnies. I assume they're bunnies. They look like bunnies to me. And so yeah, these were our mystery pieces, all mystery molds, I shall say. And what we got out of them all right here. I am not disappointed, really not in that one. That one's pretty cool. I love these little guys. I love this little guy. I can probably figure out some things to make with these. I'm not sure about this one. I mean, it's really faceted and pretty. I'm not sure what to do with that. Would people want to wear it as a pendant? It'd be a very large keychain. Anywho, so that is the mystery unboxing molding. So yeah. Thank everybody for watching my video. Thank you for those who subscribed to my channel. Thank you for everybody who watches. It means the world to me and my channel. You are what helps keep me going. If you haven't subscribed, think about it. It is free for you, helps my channel out. You can hit the QR code that's up on the screen, or you can boot the subscribe button down below. Down below or on the screen. I have a Amazon wishlist and a buy me a coffee linked in my profile or description as well. If you are so enabled to help out further, anything donated through those goes straight back into the channel, buying supplies, resin, molds, micas, all of that fun stuff. So thank you. Stay tuned for the beauty shots, and we'll see you next time. Bye.